If you're a smoker, I'm going to help you save thousands of dollars a year just with this video.
This is the Old Guy Network.
Yep.
Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the Old Guy, the OGJ, and it's a beautiful day here in the trailer hood. It's cold, but it's January, right? And before we get started, I just want to mention my coffee page. That's K-O-F-I Coffee. You can head over there and pick me up a cup of coffee just to help support the channel. It's $2, and for every cup of coffee you buy, I'm going to send you a Old Guy Network sticker. You can stick it on a toolbox, on your car, anywhere you want to. I don't care where you stick it. But I'll give you one for every cup of coffee. Help support the channel, and I sure do appreciate it. So that's, hey, that's the end of the commercial. Anyway, like the beginning of the video said, if you're a smoker, I can save you thousands of dollars every year. And that's not a lie. And I make nothing out of this. This is just my advice to you, because for an old guy, I have a fixed income and, well, less than fixed income, and I need to save money wherever I can. And a lot of old people are like that, right? And young ones, too. One of the places I save money is in cigarettes. Now, first of all, cigarette smoking is a terrible, awful, horrible thing. Shouldn't be doing it. If you smoke, please try to quit. I smoke. I have quit before for over 5 years. Then I started again, and eventually, hopefully, I'll do it again. But for now, I'm a smoker. And if you're in the same boat, here's how you can save some money. So I did a little research on the interwebs to find out what the average price of a pack of cigarettes is in the United States. And according to the National Cancer Institute, they say the average is $6.28. That's their number. Now, I know for a fact around here, it's more or less around $7.50, $8 a pack. So for me, I smoke about 2 cartons every 10 days, so that'd be 6 cartons a month. By the time I'm done buying the tubes and the tobacco, it's about $12 for a carton of cigarettes for me. So that's only $1.20 per pack. So if we take the $12 that it cost, let's see, $12 times 6 cartons equals $72 per month. Now, that right off the top of your head might, $72 for a month for smoking, that's terrible. Well, let's take a look at what everybody else spends. And if we use the $6.28 as a reference, and like I said, around here it's between $7.50 and $8, so this is low as far as I'm concerned. But $6.28 times 10, because there's 10 packs in a carton, that gives you $62.80 for 1 carton of cigarettes. And if we multiply that by 6, that's what you're spending per month. $376.80. Multiply that by 12 months, and you're up to $4,521.60. That's ridiculous. For me, well, let's go back a little ways. We're $12 for a carton. Multiply that by 6 cartons equals $72 times 12. Just to remind you, refresh your memory, right? And that's $864. So you're going to save like over $3,500 in a year just by doing what I do. And what I do, I just roll my own. At least they call it rolling your own. Yeah, actually don't roll. Rolling cigarettes, you used to have the paper and you'd roll it up like that. No. Now you use a machine, and you can buy the tubes, has the filters on them, and you just basically put your cigarettes together, and it doesn't take a whole lot to do that. It really doesn't. Let me show you. Now, as you can see, I've got my little setup here. The tobacco comes in this little bag. This is actually a double bag, and I use pipe tobacco because the cigarette tobacco is actually a lot more expensive. If I buy 1 big bag of these, this will make 2 cartons, and then I buy the 2 cartons of tubes. It is roughly $1.20 per pack when I'm all done. Now, these bags, generally, they have a zip seal on them, so your tobacco won't go bad. And I'm just going to take a little bit and put it right there. We'll seal this back up, because I'm only going to do a couple just to show you how easy it is to do this. I've already got a couple of tubes out. There's one. Here's our machine. Now, most people will roll it this way, but that's kind of left-handed for me, so I turn it around and I do it this way. And all you do is attach a tube right to the side, put a little bit of tobacco in, make sure the whole trough is filled, and do that. That's it. Now I got a cigarette. Put some more in there, put another tube on the side. Look at that. I made 2 cigarettes. And so what? If it's $1.20 for a pack of cigarettes, then what's this? 12 cents a piece, 24 cents right there. That's a pretty big savings, and it's pretty easy to do, as you can see. It takes me about an hour to do a carton of cigarettes, and what I usually do is just watch TV. If I want to watch a movie, which generally is 2 hours, I can do 2 cartons of cigarettes. Do one more, and I've got enough for the whole month. A couple of things to note is that if you do them all at one time, you get a better yield with your carton of cigarettes, because if you do it just once in a while and you waste a lot of tobacco, trust me on that. Just do a whole carton all at once and you won't have any waste, and you can get 2 cartons out of one of those bags. The other thing is, once you've done this, you have 200 cigarettes, right? A carton is 200 cigarettes. You have 200 cigarettes just sitting there in a carton, and you are likely to just grab cigarettes and smoke more. So you have to kind of monitor yourself and don't smoke any more. Just try to smoke what you normally do, and try to control yourself. That's a really hard thing for me to do. Now, again, if you smoke, you should quit. I should quit. It's a bad thing to do. But if you're going to smoke, why not spend over $1,000 a year instead of spending $4,500 a year? I mean, for the savings, $3,500, that'll buy you a lot of toilet paper, at least 10 rolls, right? So, yeah, save some money and be happier. That's, you're smoking. That's a bad thing. You're probably waking up every morning coughing and not feeling good anyway. So at least you're not emptying out your bank account. So I'm going to have other tips like this because I like to live pretty well, but I don't like to pay a whole lot of money for everything. You can call me cheap or frugal or whatever. I don't care. The thing is, I can live the same way most people live, and I do it for about 1/10 of what they do, because I'm not wasteful, and I know a few little, people call them life hacks. There's nothing hacky about life. I like to call them tips, and I'll have more for you later on. But for now, that's it. If you smoke, it's a disgusting habit. You should quit, but at least don't throw your money away. And thanks for spending some time with me here in the trailer hood. I sure do appreciate that, and I'll see you back here next time. For the Old Guy Network, I'm the OG, and I'm out.